Shandong Meto Beer Equipment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of craft brewery equipment, distillation systems, and stainless steel vessels. Established in 2013, Meto integrates design, R&D, production, sales, installation, commissioning, and after-sales service, is committed to becoming a trusted partner in the global field of craft brewing and fermentation solutions. Located in Economic Development Zone on Jingshu West Road, Jinan, Shandong Province, Meto owns modern production workshops and advanced facilities. With over 100 employees, we always adhere to the corporate philosophy of innovation and enterprise and the principle of exceeding value service. By Snide management, adopting international brewing technologies, and engaging closely with master brewers, we have developed the Meto Craft Brewing Systems series solutions that meet customers' needs at all levels, offer outstanding cost performance, and earn recognition from clients in over 95 countries worldwide. Meto owns the ISO 9001 International Quality Certification and Pressure Vessel Production Qualifications. Our products hold certifications from CE, SGS, and TUV, and we are proud members of the China Light Industry Machinery Association, recognized as an excellent service provider in the biofermentation industry. We have filed applications for dozens of utility model patents and earned the title of high-tech enterprise in 2019. Looking ahead, we will embrace the spirit of openness and inclusivity, integrate industry resources, strengthen industry academy, our research collaboration, and continuously elevate our core competitiveness. We also aspire to join hands with more customers, industry experts, and partners walking side by side to jointly forge a brighter future.